This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.
Hollywood, once America's and one of the world's largest film and TV production epicenters, is in risk of losing its role due to accelerating production exodus from Los Angeles. Both unscripted and scripted productions are relocating to regions offering better financial incentives. The high cost of filming and limited tax credits in California are key factors driving this trend. While the current situation is challenging, there is cautious optimism for recovery as production starts show signs of increasing.
Imagine Communications' John Mailhot was awarded the prestigious 2024 David Sarnoff Medal during SMPTE's annual awards gala, held on October 24th at the Ray Dolby Ballroom within the Ovation Hollywood. This accolade honors Mailhot for his exceptional contributions to the development and promotion of the ST2110 standard for media transport over IP networks. Since graduating from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1988, Mailhot has been a transformative force in the broadcast and media industry. Career highlights include his work in the development of the Grand Alliance system for over-the-air HDTV distribution, which evolved to become the Advanced Television Standards Committee, ATSC, 1.0 standard still in use today. He also played a role in standardization of JPEG 2000 video transport, VSF TR01, and development of the SMPTE ST2022-2 and 2022-6 standards, and has served as editor of the SMPTE ST2110 standard for video transport over IP since 2013. Congratulations to John Mailhot.
Eero, the Amazon-owned company, has announced the Eero Outdoor 7. This dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 7 access point can provide up to 1,400 square meters of outdoor coverage with speeds of up to 2.1 gigabits per second. With the Eero Outdoor 7, it is now possible to use a Wi-Fi network outdoors regardless of the weather. The device, which is backward compatible with all Eero products, has an IP66 rating, meaning it can withstand jets of water and extreme temperatures from as low as -40 and up to +55 degrees Celsius.
At IBC 2024, which took place in mid-September, Vinten introduced the Versine 360 fluid head, developed in partnership with many of the world's largest OB companies. The new head is designed for fixed camera positions without box lenses. Taking camera operators' needs into account, Vinten engineers have built a head with extended payload, unique features, and exceptional control to meet the exacting demands of live television. The head is equipped with the Versine multi-standard base with 4-bolt flat, quick fix, 150mm and 100mm bowl. Its payload range is 0 to 40 kilograms. Versine 360 features continuous counterbalance and a tilt range of ±90 degrees. An illuminated, high-contrast leveling bubble helps align the head with the horizon. The drag and balance controls are backlit and calibrated. The head is fitted with a single telescopic broadcast pan bar. The head's weight, including the plate and pan bar, is 6.8 kilograms.
Integrated Systems Europe 2025 show will kick off on February 4th and keep its doors open until February 7th, 2025. With the show floor already 20% bigger, exciting new features, and the world-class content program, ISE 2025 will be the place for those looking to keep pace with and advance the industry of tomorrow. New for ISE 2025 is the Innovation Park, nestled in the heart of Congress Square and set to be an essential destination for industry leaders and forward-thinking startups alike. This vibrant initiative offers an opportunity for emerging businesses to present groundbreaking ideas and forge meaningful connections with key players in the industry. Additionally, ISE 2025 will expand into Hall 8.1, featuring cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions from leading exhibitors, providing attendees with a comprehensive view of the future of AV and systems integration. Registration for the show is now open. To register, follow the QR code on your screen.
Independent Slovakian broadcast company TV Markiza has recently installed a Leyard TVF video wall in the new studio and Leyard Carbon Light CLI and CLI Flex screens in the morning show studio, just in time for a packed summer of news and sports. The fine-pitch LED displays add functionality and flexibility to the 24-hour, multi-use studios, allowing TV Markiza to switch effortlessly between news, weather, or morning chat show layouts. Leyard's association with the broadcaster dates back to 2017, when 3 Leyard TVH series video walls were installed for the news studio.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.